Good morning guys, it's James here from UK Caravan Cleaning. We're down in Duns today. We have a multi-vehicle offer on with these three vehicles we have in at the moment. This is one of the vehicles that is being remapped just now. It's the Ford Ranger. It's a 2.5 litre, 150 brake horsepower. This goes up to 190 brake horsepower. The customer was in contact last year. He had a vehicle remapped then. He has now got a new vehicle which is a Vauxhall Astra. I'll show you in a minute. He's wanting that remapped as well. This is actually his father's Ford Ranger. We will be remapping the vehicle next to it as well, which is a Volkswagen Caddy. It's had a little extra modifications done on this vehicle. The straight through exhaust from the part back. So this is our vehicle here. So Vauxhall Astra, the van. It's the 1.9, 150 brake horsepower. This ECU has already been read and just going to be modified at the moment. This vehicle goes from 150 brake horsepower up to 190 brake horsepower. This will certainly pack a little punch to it.